Hello, welcome back to Electrical Preps. Please, if today is your first time of visiting our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So we have to simplify this 7 exponent 6 minus 7. Remember, we are not to use a calculator. Okay, we are not supposed to use a calculator. So let's try this method. Please don't forget, if you have another method, you can share with us under the comment section. I'll be much grateful for that. Now, with this, we can say that A7 exponent 6 can we write as 7 exponent 3 times 2 minus 7. Okay. Now, we can also say that 7 exponent 3 bracket 2 and 7, which is equal to, now, you can say that we take 7 exponent 3. Okay, so this works. Now, because we are not going to use calculator, some of the students will be able to get it straight away, but some are not. So we break it down. 7 exponent 3, which is equal to 7 times 7 times 7. And 7 times 7, you are getting 49. Then times 7. Okay. With this, 7 times 9 is 63. So it's 3, remainder of 6. 7 times 4 is 28. 28 plus 6, we are getting 34. Okay, so we substitute back into our equation, which is 343 all squared minus 7. So 343 all squared is the same as 343 multiplied by 343 minus 7. Okay, so as we are saying, because we are not supposed to use a calculator, this we can break this down as 343 bracket 300 plus 40 plus 3 minus 7. Okay, so let's use distributive property, which is 343 multiplied by 300 plus 343 multiplied by 40 plus 343 multiplied by 3 minus 7. So let's do the calculations here. This one you're going to get 0, 0. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. So 2, a remainder of 1. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 1, which is 10. So 1, 0. 4 times, so this one we have 0 here. 4 times 3 is 12. So 2, a remainder of 1. 4, 4 is 16 plus 1, which is 17. Remainder of 1. 4 times 3 is 12 plus 1, which is 18. Plus this one, we are going to get 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. So 2, a remainder of 1. 3 times 3 is 9 plus 1, which is 10. Then minus our 7. So from here, you can say that 9 plus 0 plus 0, we are getting 9. 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 0 is 4. 0 plus 7, which is 7 plus 9, which is 16. So 6, a remainder of 1. 1 plus 3, which is 4, plus 2, which is 6, plus 1 is 7. Now 1 plus 0, we are getting 1. So then our 1 minus 7, which is equal to, now 7 minus 9, we are getting 2. So let me read 4, 6, 7, 1, 1. So this is our answer for this simplification question. Please don't forget to subscribe for more intricate questions. And remember, if you have another method, you can share with us. Thank you. Bye bye.